Why did you choose the University of Ghana amongst the several schools, the many schools in Ghana? Why University of Ghana?
Legon is Legon. Actually, it's one of the nicest school in Ghana. Yeah, and one of the best school. You all know that Legon is Legon, not like UCCC. Yeah.
So if you were to make any comparison with any other university, what is that one monument or one thing that you claim to be nice? You said it's a nice place, you know. So let me know, what would you brag with so far as University of Ghana is concerned?
Yeah, our campus, like you see, we have one of the nicest campus here. The arrangements and everything, you see, it's actually cool. Yeah, but compared to other schools, though I haven't been there before, but we actually do research. So Legon is one of the nicest schools.
You see, coming to school, like which is the university basically, you hear of people saying lectures aren't compulsory, like you can decide to go for lectures or not. But it's a whole lie, because if you don't go for lectures, you are actually losing a lot. You're actually losing your grades, or maybe you are losing any important thing that you need to get to the next level. So that was what I felt. I was feeling, oh, when I come to school, I can decide to go to class or not. But coming here, I realized you need to go to class, whether you like it or not. You can either stay back home and decide to learn on your own, but you actually need a classroom experience to be able to understand certain things. But it basically depends on your courses. So
Interesting. Why not KNUST? We have UPSA. Why not any of them?
okay, so my reason being that University of Ghana is kind of close to where I stay. So if I need foodstuffs, I can go home for foodstuffs. Yes.
Interesting.
Then also I wanted to have experience of the BAM library. Yeah, because it's said as one of the biggest libraries in West Africa.